Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, that generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the telescoping mirrors, side mirrors, are located, guys. Stay with us, we'll explain which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, and why it's important to test them, that way you don't waste your time and money. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So right here we'll demonstrate on the 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage, guys. So that one is specifically a 16 model, and when you open the hood on your Ford F-150, right under the hood, guys, behind the car battery, you're going to notice that you have a fuse box. That's the cover, okay, right here, that cover. When you open that cover, you're going to see the fuse layout, okay, just like that. That being the front of the F-150, this is towards the windshield side. Let's first explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse for the telescoping mirrors will be located, guys, okay, but oh, I almost forgot. You can see how you have different fuses, relays. Now those could be really hard to find if you're in a small town and you don't want to be stuck in the middle of nowhere needing a replacement fuse or relay, guys. We'll recommend to keep some spares in the glove box of your vehicle. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a good price and quick shipping. The telescoping mirror fuse is located in that fuse panel here. If you come in the left row from bottom to top, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that fuse right here, guys, known as fuse number 41, will be the fuse that you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.